Good morning students, this is Neha Jain from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group. Students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are starting with the revision. Today we will have the revision of two chapters, that is the chapter 11 perimeter and area, and the next chapter is chapter 15, that is visualizing solid shapes. Okay, so first of all we are starting with the revision of chapter 11, that is perimeter and area. Children, I hope that you have just gone through the basic concepts of this chapter. You have just gone through the video. So now we are starting with the revision of chapter 11. Okay, so now just see over here, children. Just see, first of all we will just revise the formulas that we will just use in the exercise. So children, you can just see over here, as you know that area of a square is equal to side square, or we can say that area of a square is equal to side into side. Then perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Is it clear? Now the next one is that we will just talk about the rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B, that is length into breadth. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Now next one, we will just talk about the parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height, or we can say B into H. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height, or half into B into H. Now we'll just talk about the circle. So what is the area of a circle? That is, area of a circle is equals to pi r square, where pi is a constant whose value can be 3.14 or 22 upon 7, and r is the radius. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now children, there are some conversion units, that is 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square, and 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay children? Now children, just see, we'll start with the exercise. Okay? So now children, we are starting with the exercise 11.1, that is on page number 208. Okay? So just see the question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meters. So children, you have to find the area of a square park, and the perimeter is given to you. So just see, we'll just apply the formula what we have studied. It is a question number 2. So it is given perimeter of a square park is equal to 320 meters. Okay, so perimeter is given to you, and as you know, the formula for the perimeter of a square, it is 4 into side. It is 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to 320. 4 into side is equals to 320. So we can just find the side, that is side is equals to 320 upon 4. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32, 0. That means the side of a square is equal to 80 meter. Okay, so we have just got the side of a square, but we have to find the area of a square. So now we can find the area of a square. Therefore, area of a square park is equal to side into side, or side square. Okay, so what is the side? That is 80 meters. So 80 into 80, that is 6,400 meters square. So the area of a square park is equal to 6,400 meters square. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's see question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth, also find the area. So what is given, children? That is perimeter of rectangular sheet is given to you, length is given to you, and you have to find the breadth and also the area of the rectangular sheet. Okay, so first of all we'll just write down the perimeter of a rectangular sheet. So perimeter of a rectangular sheet is equal to 100 centimeters. Is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, now it is given that is length is 35 centimeter. Now as you know children, the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, it is 2 into length plus breadth. So we can just write here that is 2 into L plus B is equal to 100. Okay, now length is given to you, it is given 35 centimeters. So we'll just substitute the values for length. Okay, we'll substitute the value for length, which is equals to 100, that is 2 into 35 plus B is equal to 100. Now we can simplify, that is 35 plus B is equal to 100 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Therefore, B is equals to 50 minus 35. B is equals to 50 minus 35, that is breadth is equals to 15 centimeter. Okay, breadth is equals to 15 centimeter. So children, we have just solved the first part of this question. Now the second part is, that is you have to find the area of a rectangular sheet. Okay, so children, as you know the formula for the area, so area of rectangular sheet is equal to length into breadth. So children, you are having both the dimensions now, that is length is equals to 35 and breadth is equals to 15, that is 35 into 15. So you can just carry out the multiplication, 35 into 15. So 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17, as 17 plus 5 is 22. So 1 into 3 plus 2, so it comes out to be 525 centimeters square. So area of a rectangular sheet is equals to 525 centimeters square. Is it clear? So I hope children you got this. Now we'll just move to the next one. Now just see children, exercise 11.2, that is on page number 216. Okay, so just see the question number 1. Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. So children, figure of parallelogram is given to you and you have to find its area. So children, as you know that area of a parallelogram is equals to base into height. So just see question first, B part. Question number 1, B part, figure is given to us. So children, this is the figure and we have to find the area of this parallelogram. So children, as you know that area of a parallelogram is equals to base into height. So we can just write it down. Area of a parallelogram is equal to B into H, that is base into height. So you can see that base is 5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So 5 into 3, that is 15 centimeter square. Okay, so area of this parallelogram is equal to 15 centimeter square. Now just see children, next question over here, that is the question number 2. Find the area of each of the following triangles. So children, we have to find the area of a triangle. So you can just see again question number 2, just B part. Okay, so what is the area of a triangle? It is half into base into height. So just see question number 2 now. Question number 2, B part. First of all, we children will draw the figure. This is 3.2 centimeter. And this is 5 centimeter. Okay, so base is 5 centimeter and the height is 3.2 centimeter. So again children, it's very much easy. You can just apply the formula, that is area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So we can just substitute the values. Half, what is the base? It is 5 and the height is 3.2. Okay, now we can just solve, just remove the decimal. So it will become 10. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So 16 into 5 is 80. 80 upon 10, which is equal to 8 centimeter square. So area of a triangle is equal to 8 centimeter square. Okay children. Triangle ABC is right angled at A, figure 11.25. AD is the perpendicular to BC. If AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 13 centimeter and AC is equals to 12 centimeter, find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. Okay children. So first of all, we'll just draw the figure. This is the triangle ABC. And this is the altitude AD. Measurements are given to you. That is AB is equals to 5 centimeter. AC is equals to 12 centimeter. And BC is equals to 13 centimeter. BC is equals to 13 centimeter. Okay. So first of children, you have to find the area of triangle ABC. This triangle is right angled at A. So as you know the formula for the area of a triangle, so we can just apply the formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. So we'll just substitute the values half. So what is the base over here? That is 13 BC. And what is the height? As this is the angle of 90 degree. That means 5 centimeter is the height. So 5. So 13 5s are. So we can just find it out the area children. You can just see. So base is AC, that is half of AC. We are first finding the area of the triangle ABC. So you can see that AC is the base and AB is the height, because this triangle ABC is right angled at A. So we can just write AC into AB. AB is the height. So half of AC, that means half of 12 into AB, that is 5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 12, 6 into 5, that is 30 centimeter square. So area of the triangle ABC is 30 centimeter square. Now the second part is you have to find the length of AD. Okay, we have to find the length of AD. So we can just find it out now. So again, area of triangle ABC is equal to half of base into height. So area of triangle ABC, as we have just calculated, it is 30 centimeter square. So we can just substitute the value half of base. Now what will be the base? Now when we are just calculating this, so base will be now BC, that is half of BC. And what will be the altitude now? That is AD. So it is AD. Now 30 is equals to half into BC is 13 centimeter into AD. That means therefore AD is equals to 30 into 2 upon 13, that is 60 upon 13 centimeters. Is it clear? So area of triangle ABC is 30 centimeter square and the length of AD is equals to 60 upon 13 centimeters. Is it clear? Now just children, come to exercise 11.3, that is on page number 223. So we'll start with the question number 4. So just see question number 4 now. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 centimeter. So it is given that it is a circular garden and diameter is 21 centimeter and gardener wants to fence it. That means we are just talking about the perimeter, we are talking about the circumference, okay. Now find the length of a rope he needs to purchase if he make 2 rounds of a fence. So gardener is making 2 rounds of the fence. Also find the cost of a rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. So just see children what we have to do. So first of children, as the diameter is given to you, it is question number 4. So diameter is equals to, it is 21 meters. So radius is equals to half of diameter, that is 21 upon 2 meters. Is it clear? Now we are just talking about the fencing, okay, and we have to just make 2 rounds of the fence. That means circumference of a circular garden, circumference is equal to 2 pi r and value of pi is given to you, that is you have to take 22 upon 7. So 2 pi r, so 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 21 upon 2, okay. So 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So it comes out to be 11 2s are 22 and 22 into 3 is 66 meters. So this is the circumference of that circumference of a circular garden. Now we are just talking about that the gardener will take 2 rounds of the fence. So circumference now will become, circumference when gardener makes 2 rounds. So which is equals to 2 into 66, that comes out to be 132 meters, okay. So when the gardener is making 2 rounds of the fence, then the circumference will be 132 meters. Now find the cost of the rope if the cost of rupees, if it costs rupees 4 per meter, okay. So per meter की cost कितनी है? So cost of rope per meter is equal to rupees 4, okay. So cost of 132 meter rope is equal to 4 into 132, which comes out to be rupees 528. So cost of a rope required to do the fencing is rupees 528, okay. Now we'll just move to the next question children. Just go through question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. So what is given? That there is a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter and from this sheet circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. So you have to find the area of the remaining sheet and the value of pi is 3.14. So just see here. So first of all we'll just draw the figure. This is a circular sheet whose radius is, it is given 4 centimeter and from this circular sheet a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. So you have to find the area of this remaining sheet, okay. So we can just take, that is the radius of a circular sheet is equals to 4 centimeter and the sheet and the sheet which we have to remove from the circular sheet, that is the small r, is equal to 3 centimeter, okay. Now we can just write that the area of the remaining sheet, area of remaining sheet is equal to pi r square minus pi r square. That is area of the circular sheet minus the area of the circle which we have to remove from the circular sheet. So we can just take pi common, that is pi into r square minus r square, that is 3.14. We are taking pi as 3.14. R is 4 centimeters, so 4 square, and this is 3 square. So 3.14 into 4 ka, what is the square of 4? It is 16, and the square of 3 is 9. So 3.14 into 7. Okay, 16 minus 9 is 7. So we can just calculate the area of remaining sheet. 7 4s are 28. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9. And 7 3s are 21. That means the area of the remaining sheet is 21.98 centimeter square. Okay. Now children, we'll just move to the next exercise, that is exercise 11.4. Okay. So please take out exercise 11.4. It's exercise 11.4, page number 226. Okay. Now just see children, just see the fifth question over here, exercise 11.4, question number 5. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meters. So it is given children that there is a square garden whose side is 30 meters, and inside the square garden a path of 1 meter is just a path 1 meter wide is just built inside this garden. So first of all you have to find the area of the path, and in the second one you have to find the cost of planting the grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Okay. So just see, first of all we'll just draw the figure. It's question number 5. So this is a square garden. It is a square garden whose side is 30 meters. Just name this square garden as ABCD, and the measure of the side of a square is 30 meters. Okay. Now inside a square garden there is a path 1 meter wide. So width of this path is 1 meter. This is a square PQRS. Is it clear? So what you have to do, first of all you have to just calculate the area of this path. So how we can just calculate? That is the area of the square ABCD minus area of the square PQRS. So first of all you have to just calculate the reduced length. Side of square garden is equal to 30 meters and side of, this is the ABCD, that is the side of the square garden ABCD is equals to 30 meters, and side of the square garden PQRS, it will be just reduced from both the sides, that is 30 minus 1 plus 1, 30 minus 1 plus 1, that is 30 minus 2, that is equals to 28 meters. Okay. Now we can just find the area of the path, that is the first part of the question. So area of a path is equal to area of square ABCD minus area of square PQRS. Is it clear? So area of square ABCD is equals to side into side, that is side is 30. So 30 into 30 minus 28 into 28. Is it clear? That is 30 into 30 minus 28 into 28, which comes out to be 900 minus 784, which is equals to 116 meters square. Is it clear? So area of the path is equals to 116 meter square. Now the second part. What is given? The cost of planting the grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Okay. So cost of planting grass in 1 meter square is equal to rupees 40. Okay. And children, as you have to calculate the cost of planting the grass in the remaining portion of the garden, तो remaining portion of the garden का area क्या है? That is 784. That is the area of the remaining portion of the garden is 784. So we can just write, therefore cost of planting grass in cost of planting grass, what is the remaining portion area? That is 784. 784 meter square is equal to 40 into 784. So we can just calculate now. 0, 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32, 33. 4 7s are 28 plus 3, 31. That is 31,360 rupees. So children, cost of planting the grass in 784 meter square is equals to rupees 31,360. Is it clear? So children, this is all about chapter 11. Now we'll just move to the next chapter, that is the chapter number 15, visualizing solid shapes.